Sri Lanka's culture mixes modern elements with traditional aspects and is known for its regional diversity. Sri Lankan traditions revolve around dominant religions, Hinduism and Buddhism.
So yung ano nila, culture is mixed. Mixed modern. As you can see sa picture, yan yung sayaw nila for celebration. Kasi ito naman, yung sa Sri Lanka, dominant religion nila is Buddhism and Hinduism. So next is yung greetings nila. Who wants to read? Tanner.
The traditional and common greeting is to present palms of the one hands together under the chin in the front of the chest while slightly bowing the head.
Parang yung ginawa ko kanina, di ba ganyan? Tapos bow your head. Kundi lang. Yung ganyan, tapos ganyan. Ayoko nga. So the traditional clothing who wants to read the song?
A sarong is a garment consisting of a length of pleated or plain cloth wrapped about the waist. Sarong are the standard garment for most men in rural and even some urban communities. In cities, you will see mix of western clothes and the traditional sari.
As you can see, yung damit nila is magkaiba. Mix. Sabi dyan. Yan yung pang lalaki. Pang kasal. Nagsasama. Tapos sa isa diba may sarong din na ibang sa Cambodia. Sarong din. Pero lang diba, mix. Mix. Tapos sa sari, once to read the sari.
The sari usually consists of 6 yards of often brightly colored, cloth wrapped around the body, and the series will see western clothing as well as the traditional sari.
So here, ano din, mixed din sila. Colored cloth wrapped around the body. Parang, yung sa akin kasi hindi siya colored. Pero hindi ko makagawa ng colored. So the traditional food nila is traditional food nila best is the rice and curry. Who wants to eat the rice and curry? Central centers for lucky cuisines, boiled or steamed rice, serves in a curry of fish, along with other cuisines, vegetables, lentils, or greens. Dishes are accompanied by pickled fruits or vegetables, chutneys, and some like. So dyan, nasarapan, boiled and steamed rice. Parang dito sa rice, di ba? Nasa boiled or steamed rice, serving a rice or fish or meat. Ayun yung fish nila, parang dito sa atin yung ano, alam yung mali. Oo, yung parang ganun yun. Tapos yung chicken, curry. Chicken curry po sa atin. Chicken curry. At sa kanila, rice curry yung ano nila, traditional food.
Parang ano siya?
So next is yung mga traditional food ko na iba. The apa hookers. Parang ano siya? Egg na sa inside mo. Yung na ano yun? Tapos sa salute tea, nagagawin yan ng ano Sige, sabay na lang kayo. Hello.
One, two, three, go.
Hello, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. How are you? Go, go. Hamuna lang.
Anak! Anak Sam!
Abot ang pangarap.
Anak na. Namo, namo, namo. Lisa.